Yes, sir. I got the
Okay,
videos.
okay, done. So now you've got Photoshop, CorelDRAW, Illustrator, all you got it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and now I'm sharing the InDesign classes also.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
let me see where is this. Yeah, acha, there is no classes at all. Okay, it is here only. So once it is uploaded, I'll share it. Okay. Okay,
Okay, sir.
today
No
I'll
problem.
upload it. The other classes are there. Otherwise, your classes I'll upload daily. Okay,
Okay,
you
sir.
can go and you
Sure,
can
sir.
download it. Okay,
Okay, sure, sir.
right. Okay, bye. Well, chalo, right. Let's start. So first
Yes,
of all, this is what InDesign screen. We have finished 3D so CorelDRAW, isn't it?
yes, sir.
Okay,
Completely done.
right, done. So let's see this one now. So that is this is InDesign screen. Okay, you see the on the
Okay.
top you can see the menu bar. Okay, and
Yeah.
create new and open same as Photoshop and Illustrator. There is no change. Okay, here we have
Okay.
A4, iPad, web, and more option. Now, if you go to
Okay.
the new file in this one, new file, you get only few categories: print, web, and mobile. That's it. Okay,
Okay.
why print means normally you see the books and magazines and newspaper which are printed copy that we can print it. Web copy is
Yeah.
nothing but so flip books we are getting nowadays, flip books that will be used, and
Okay.
PDF option, PDF files also will see this one. That's the reason we use web option.
Okay.
Mobile option is used for this purpose. What is it? Kindle books and all. Okay, digital
Okay.
books we can say.
Yeah.
Okay, ఎంత అయింది percentage? So now under this one, like example, if I go to the print now, I am having this categories in this one now. Okay, I am taking A4 size paper in this one. Once you select this page,
Okay.
now on the right side you have a property that is 49 and 70. That is in picas. Now we can change this one to inches here now.
Okay.
Okay, from that point you can change this to millimeters, or we can say centimeters, or else any other category you are comfortable. Okay, so I'll go with the inches in this
Okay.
one now. Okay,
Okay, sir.
once the width and height is been defined, so next you have orientation. You can change this width and height in the opposite, means nothing but swiping the value now. See, it will go,
Okay.
height value will go to the width, and width value will come to the height here. Next option, pages. How many pages you want? Initially you can decide number of pages. Okay, now
Okay.
example, if I want 5 pages, I can have 5 pages on this one. Okay, now
Okay.
here we can give the starting page number, like example where you want to start your pages. Now I have taken 5 pages. My number to be started from the first page, that is fifth onwards, not first onwards. So I can decide the
Okay.
number from where you want to start your numbering on this one.
Okay, sir.
Okay, next, primary text frame we can enable, but later we can do this one. That is also no issue, where we can do it later on, or initially we can apply. Okay, next option is what?
Yeah.
Columns. We can decide how many columns you want. You can decide the number of columns in this. Okay,
Okay.
yeah, 1 minute,
Yes.
1 minute.
Yeah.
Yeah, Rahul. So this is what some columns we can have. We can have multiple columns also, but now we'll take only one. Later on, I'll show you how to increase the columns and all. Okay. Next option is
Yeah.
margins. For the page, we have default margin, that is 0.5. We can increase and decrease based on your requirement. Okay. Now, when
Yeah.
you scroll down, this bleed and sledge option is nothing but extra portion for cutting purpose. We can say cutting or folding. If I'm having any product
Okay.
for folding purpose, if you want any area to be cut, extra portion you want for cutting, that we can give in this one.
Yeah.
Okay. So
Okay.
once everything is done, just click create on this one to create a document on this. Okay, you
Okay.
can see right now. I have created this one now.
Yeah.
Okay, now this is used for the magazine, newspaper, books, okay, pamphlet designing, okay, and sometimes flyer designing
Yeah.
also can be created on this one now. Okay, mostly important for books,
Oh,
this one. Okay,
okay.
very easy application, very simple and basic application it is, and very handy for books purpose we can say. Okay. Now this
Okay.
is how the document has been created. Now I want to go to this option file. Okay, now I want to save this file now. Right now save option is active here. Now we can save this file directly.
Yeah.
Okay, on desktop I'm saving. Name this as page 1 for this one now. Okay, InDesign format that
Okay.
is 22, or else you can go to the CC template, or else CS4, or later on we can save this file. Okay,
Okay.
so I'll save this one right now 2022 only. Okay, let's click save
Yeah.
option for saving this one now. Right now my file is saved.
Yeah.
Okay, let me hide this one. Yeah, so now it is saved also. Now where we can see this file name over here, page 1 dot InDesign
Yeah.
files here. Okay, now example,
Yes, sir.
if I'm designing anything on this one, like example I've taken a rectangle, I have done this design. Okay, later I will apply the color for this one. Okay, now I want to take this as an output, JPG file on this one. So file option. Now here we
Okay.
have option save as. We can use save as option, but save as we doesn't have this JPG option in this one. Same options available
Yeah.
in save and save as. For
Yeah.
this one, you have to go to the export option. Under export, you get options here: JPG, PNG, PDF,
Okay.
and all these options you will get in this one. We can select and we
Yeah.
can apply. So JPG file, desktop, and let's say save on this one as page one only. Now you get the settings. Do you want one page? Do you want all pages to be saved? That you can
Yeah.
save it. Next, quality is minimum, you can go for maximum quality. Okay, and the resolution
Okay.
is 72, you can make it 2400, 1200, 600, 300, 150, and 96.
Yeah.
Standard for the print is 300, but again you can go up for more or less, that's your requirement, that is on you only, you can decide it. Okay, so
Okay.
once 72 is there, let's next example, what is it? Grayscale mode you want, color mode, or RGB you want, or
Yeah.
CMYK you want it. You can use the option
Okay.
based on your requirement. Okay, most of the time print
Yes, sir.
document, if it is print document we use CMYK, if it is screen document we'll use RGB mode on this one. Okay, once everything
Okay.
is done, just click export option in this one to export this particular page now. Okay, na? Just 1 minute, Ravi.
Yeah. Yeah.
ఇది క్రాక్ క్వశ్చన్ ఉంటుంది. క్రాక్ క్వశ్చన్ అంటే మనం క్రాక్ దీనిలో ఉంటుంది ప్యాచ్ లాగా. ఓకే, గో బ్యాక్ అండ్ ఓపెన్ ద క్రాక్ ఫైల్. ఇక్కడ క్రాక్ ఫైల్ ఉంటుంది, సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకొని రైట్ క్లిక్ ఎక్స్ట్రాక్ట్ హియర్. ఈ ఫైల్ వస్తుంది, ఈ ఫైల్ కాపీ చేసుకొని సి డ్రైవ్ పేస్ట్ చేసాను. ర్యామ్ ఉంటుంది ఇందులో. ఓకే, సెలెక్ట్ చేస్తాం, కాపీ చేసుకున్న తర్వాత సి డ్రైవ్ ఇవ్వండి. సి డ్రైవ్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఫైల్స్ ఉంటుంది, ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఫైల్స్ ఎడో, దాని తర్వాత ఫోటోషాప్ 22. ఇక్కడ వచ్చేసి ఇక్కడ రైట్ క్లిక్ చేసుకొని పేస్ట్ చేయాలి. పేస్ట్ చేసేటప్పుడు ఇక్కడ ఆప్షన్ వస్తుంది రీప్లేస్ అంటే. ఓకే, రీప్లేస్. దీని తర్వాత కంటిన్యూ. ఫోటోషాప్ స్టార్ట్. ఇక్కడ స్టార్ట్ మెనూలో ఫోటోషాప్ మెనూ ఓపెన్ చేసుకుంటాం. కాదు నేను ఇక్కడికి ఓపెన్ చేసుకుంటా అంటే దీనికోసం మోర్ అండ్ ఇంటూ టాస్క్ బార్ అయితే ఆ ఐకాన్ ఇక్కడ వచ్చేస్తుంది. ఇక్కడికి ఓపెన్ చేసుకోవచ్చు డైరెక్ట్. మీకైతే మిగతా సాఫ్ట్వేర్ మనం స్టార్ట్ అయితే ఇన్స్టాల్ చేసేస్తాం, లేకుంటే రేపు వస్తుంది క్లాస్ తీసుకొచ్చి రేపు ఇన్స్టాల్ చేస్తాం. Yeah, Ravi. So we have saved this file.
Yes.
So first file is your InDesign file, main file, and this is what output file we can say. Okay,
Okay.
and one more backup file will be there. Sometime it may create a backup for you. Okay, that will
Yeah.
save as a backup file for you. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Now coming back to the next part. Okay. So as we have used the file option, new option, save option, save as,
Save as. Yeah.
and one more option, export.
Export.
Okay. Now example, another option is there, placement option. Placement option, you can select, you can select an image, you can place it on the canvas here now. Now for placement, what we can do, we can click and drag over here like this. For having an exact size, how much you want, you can have an exact size for this one now, like this.
Okay.
Otherwise, what another option is what, that's same option, place option, select the image, just come and click on this one, that's it. Click, just if you click, that is enough, it will take the original size of the image here.
Okay.
Okay, this much of size. Alt and shift to decrease the size of the image now. Now move
Yeah.
and place it on this one and see. Again, what happened now, only frame is getting decreased. See, it is not
Yeah.
decreasing the image now. Now double click
Yeah,
on this
yeah.
one, double click on this one to select this brown color line. Okay, Alt and shift to decrease the
Okay.
image now on this one. Right now you can see I am modifying the image now.
Okay.
So
Okay.
select this both and try to move. If you only click and move, what happens, sometime it may move only frame, not image.
Okay.
So we need to be careful whenever you are doing this one now. Okay.
Okay.
So this is what image placement we can do it in InDesign, we can say. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So where is this option? File option, place. Now in
Place.
place of this one, we place the complete information also. Information in the sense, complete text also we can place easily using this place option. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So next option is what? Save is done and placement is done, and so this one, export option is also
Export.
done. But if you want to save this as an PDF file, okay, why?
Yeah.
Because most of the time books are saved in PDF option. So go to the export
PDF,
option
yeah.
again. Here we have option called PDF. Two options we are having: interactive PDF and PDF.
Yeah.
Now. Interactive PDF in the sense, some links are there, some images are there. If you are using a Kindle book, if you click on that
Yeah,
link,
yeah.
okay, it should open a separate YouTube video or something based on the option we have given to the client. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. So that interactive options will be given in interactive option, and normally PDF print, if you want, you can go with the PDF print also. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So this is, I am saving this as a PDF file option. So let's go to the PDF print and we'll save it on desktop and save this one as PDF file. Now once you click this option, you will see this window. In this window, just say
Yeah.
export option in this one. Done it is. Okay, so we have saved our master file, JPG file,
Yeah.
and PDF file over here now.
PDF file.
So all we can save and we can open it now. So now example, my work is completed today. I am closing this one. Okay, so yes to confirm, so for saving. Now if I want to open it, I can open directly from here. Otherwise I can go for the file option and say open or open recent.
Open.
Okay,
Okay.
or else same option is available here also. Open option. Okay, now select the other file and say open on this one. Now see what happened. It will open a particular file in this one.
Okay.
Okay, so like this you can open it now. So this
Yeah.
is one second, ignore. So file option in this one. So new option will give you a new document. Open option will open this existing document. Open recent in the sense.
Yeah.
Recent, from the recent list we can open the file. Okay, and close will close the current file. Okay, and save as is used to save the master file. Okay,
Yeah.
and export option is used for giving an output file as a JPG or PDF or any other format we can say. And last option, placement option, will place the image onto the canvas area, we can say. Okay, is it
Okay.
clear this point?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is your first option now, example. Let's go to the next option now.
Yeah.
Now we'll use the tools now on this one. Before using the tools, I want to know that what are the properties available. Property will not change unless and until you
Yeah.
change this to text, or else you
Okay.
using the pen option in this one now. Pen option, slightly the properties will change, but for all other option it will be same only.
Okay.
Okay, what is the first one? X and Y position,
Yeah.
width and height of the object.
Okay.
Okay, width and height using the percentage value.
Okay.
Okay, next option, rotation and skew. Okay, clockwise and anti-clockwise rotation,
Anti-clockwise.
flip horizontal,
Okay.
flip vertical.
Yeah.
Okay, where the paragraph is ending, you can check it by using this one.
Okay.
Next option, filling color. We are having only few colors to pick here, only this many colors.
Okay.
Same thing for
Okay.
the outlines. Outline also same one now. Okay, so these are the options.
Yeah.
Now after this one, we will be having a stroke size. We can apply the stroke size and we can apply the stroke style, we can say.
Design.
Okay,
Yeah.
and last option, wrapping option is available and effects option is available here. You can use this one.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yeah. So let's go and start with this first property. This one, that is rectangle shape.
Okay.
Okay, draw the rectangle on this canvas now. See here now. I have drawn the rectangle.
Yeah.
Later I can fill the color in this one now. Similarly, I am drawing the elliptical tool also. Okay, so what happened now? We have applied the color and we have created one object in this one now. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, second option, like elliptical tool, I can draw an elliptical shape on this one. Now similarly, I can draw the polygon shape in this one now. See.
Yeah.
So these objects can easily be created. Now it can be applied with the basic colors only because we are having only few colors.
Yeah.
Okay, so we can apply this option more on this one now. Okay, so what is this option?
Okay.
Rectangle shape we have created, elliptical shape we have created, and polygon shape we have created.
Polygon.
Okay, now we can see this one, all options.
Yes, sir.
So now in place of this one, I can take the frame also having the same property, rectangle frame. Okay, now next one, elliptical frame.
Yeah.
Okay, draw the elliptical frame on this one. One second. Ellipse frame, you can draw the ellipse frame in this one. Okay, and last option is available inside this one, polygon shape in this one.
Polygon. Yeah.
Let me pull this one back outside. Now right now we can see 3 frames I am having, 3 objects I am having. Okay, select
Yeah.
select a blue color object. Now go to the file option and say place. Select one image and say place inside this one. Whatever.
Okay.
Okay.
The image is playing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So now example, I want to do something else in this one. So file option, place option. Let me select this image and say place on this one. Okay, let's go to the option. Let me take this one. So select this image and say place on this one. So what happened now? Where is the image inside this object, we can say. Similarly, I am placing the image inside this one now. File
Yeah.
option, place option. Okay, select the placement and say open on this one. See what happened? It has placed inside the object also. Similarly, this file placement is needed for this one.
Okay.
So now we can see 3 options I am having. Now example, I want to place the picture inside this one. So easily I can place the picture now. File option, place embed. Select the picture and say import on this one.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now select this image and say place on this one.
Okay.
So now let me place this image on this under this one also. File option, place option, and select the same frame and we can place it.
Okay, sir.
Let me select one frame. Let me select 1 frame. 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 Let me select this file and say open. One second, let me open this. One second. Open it now. Right now we can see this file is open now. Example, I want to modify this now. So right now you can see I cannot see the image and all.
Yeah.
So simple option, select this shape on this one. Go to the layout, so this one, object option,
Okay.
fitting option is there in this one, fit frame proportionally or fit content proportionally. Means what we are asking, frame should be adjusted according to the image or else content should be adjusted according to the frame, you can say. Okay.
Okay. Okay, sir. Okay.
Yeah. So now let's modify this one. Now I am using this option, fit frame proportionally. What happened?
Okay.
The image got adjusted, but frame is as it is without any disturbance. See,
Yeah. Yeah.
same one I am doing for this one also. Select this one, go to the object option, fitting, and fit frame proportionally on this one. See what happened? Automatically, the width and height of the object
Okay.
got adjusted exactly. Okay. Similarly, I am doing other option in this one, object menu.
Yes, sir.
Fitting option. Now instead of this one I am using the second option. What is it? Fit content proportionally. Means
Push.
again say similar one, but what happened, here it will change this one, some extra
Yeah.
portion, means exactly it will fit the width, not height here now. Why? Because height will get decreased.
Okay.
Okay. Same thing I am
Yeah,
using the
yeah.
other option in this one, object fitting, and we have different options, fit frame to center, fit content to the what is it, frame. Okay, these are the options
Okay.
available inside this one. Let's say example, fit frame to the content. Now see what happened.
Okay.
Yeah. So now again I'll undo this one. Once again, let's see, select this option. Now go to the object menu, fitting option. Under fitting option we are saying this one, what is it, fit proportionally, fit content proportionally, and fit frame to content, content to frame, and center content on this one. Now see what happened here. Okay, so like this you can use this
Okay.
option. Fit frame, so fit frame to the content in this one. Now see what happened. Sorry, fit content to the frame. Now what happened? Now see exactly it will go expand this image here. See.
Okay. Okay.
So whenever you are doing this one, these objects are there for to create a shapes, and frames are meant for placing the image inside the frame. And even
Yes.
frame also can be
Okay.
placed on frame. Also we can place the picture inside the frame. Okay, inside frame and inside object
Okay.
also. Okay. So this is your
Okay,
two
sir.
options. Once again, let's go to the rectangle tool. Click on the canvas to define a width and height for this one.
Yeah.
Okay, let me make it this one as 10 width and height as 5 here on this one. Let's say create. See now.
Okay.
Yeah. So now I have taken this object now. I have taken this object now exactly. Okay, so now we using the property of define this one. Again click on the canvas. Right now we can see 10 by 5. I want to change this one to 5 by 5 now. So select this one and click OK to, you will get the 5 by 5 option also. Okay, next option after this.
Yes, sir.
Next option, one second, let me delete this. Let me select this object. Yeah. So now another option is there in this frame option. We can take the frame tool and we can click on the canvas. Again we can define the similar properties for this one. Okay, height and width. Even if I'm
Okay.
taking the ellipse also, I'm having an height and width. If I'm taking a polygon shape, I'm having the width and height for this one. But extra portion is there. What is the extra
Yeah,
portion?
yeah.
Number of sides here now.
Pocket and set. Yeah.
1 minute. So width and height we can decide 3 by 3 we can say. Number of sides 6, star value should be approximately. Okay, some color we can say. We
Yeah.
can define this property. Smoothness we can click OK to complete the shape. Now see, we got the size. Okay, for the object now. So like this we can define our objects in this one now. So this is how rectangle shape can be created, this is how frame can be created. Later for checking the properties, what we need to do, select this option polygon, click on the canvas, and you will see the properties in this one. What is it property? Width and height, and then number of sides, and inside value. Inside value in the sense star value, 50%, and click
Okay.
OK. Now we can see the star value.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Let's take this one. Now we can, if you want, you can apply the color for this one. You can apply the stroke value for this one. You can apply the stroke values. Okay. So let's take the next option out after this one. Now, as if we are having a filling color, now we can have an outline color also for you.
Yeah.
Okay. Select this one and apply the stroke size for this one. What size you want it? Next is.
Yeah.
Okay. So now let's apply the color. What color you want, you can apply the color and you can leave it now. Right now this is my object. Now I can change this one. Outlines we have seen already how to apply the outline, and we can have the
Yeah.
size. We can apply the size also for the outline. And one more option is there,
Okay.
is that is nothing but styles for the object, we can say outline styles.
Yeah.
We can apply
Yeah.
all these options one by one. Okay. Next option in this one, we have opacity. We can decrease the opacity for this one, and we can have full opacity and so on. Okay. After this one, flow is there, we can apply the flow, but later I'll show you how to apply the flow and all. Okay. So next
Yeah.
option after this one, alignment is there. Before the alignment we need to see where we are aligning this object.
Okay.
One second, let me go to the alignment option in this one. So this alignment can be used from the panel also. So go to the alignment panel. Here is the option artboard or margin, we can say the margin. Now I want to align according to the margin, left, right and middle here. Similarly bottom, top and okay, middle one we can say.
Okay.
Top, bottom and bottom one, sorry, middle one we can say. Okay, horizontal alignment and vertical alignment both we can do. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is regarding your object. These two objects we have now we have seen the properties also for these two objects. Now
Yeah.
coming back to the second one, that is move tool and what do we say, direct selection tool. Like example, I'll select the color.
Yeah.
Okay. Now decrease the. Yeah. So let me take this option now. Let me apply. Now example, so now I want to use this move tool now. Move tool for adjustment purpose, for moving selection first and then movement and then modification we can say. Width and height we can modify it now. Okay,
Okay.
easily we can modify. By placing the pointer outside the bounding box, you will get a rotation option. This one.
Okay.
Okay, like this you can rotate it now. Next option after this one, you have properties here. Now flip horizontal and flip vertical we are having. We can use this flip horizontal and vertical.
Okay, sir.
So we can use this properties in this one. Rotation is there. Rotation clockwise and anti-clockwise. Okay, and as well as we can say flip horizontal and flip vertical we have used on this one. Okay, like this we can see.
Okay.
So this is clear now. First one, that is selection
Yes,
tool. Selection tool will allow you to select. Second one, movement. Third one, modification, and fourth one, rotation for this one now. Okay.
Yeah.
Now another option is there
Yeah.
in this one. Another option is what? Direct selection tool. Direct selection will allow you to modify the anchor point. First one. Okay. Once your what do you say? Okay. Once so you are having this anchor point, you can modify the anchor point and you can increase the size of the object, we can say, or else we can apply for the style purpose also.
Right.
Let me move this one inside. We can see right now we can move. Yeah. So now we have done this one. So that is your direct selection tool and selection tool. Direct selection is allowing us to select this anchor point and use these handles to modify and balance the shape on this one.
Okay.
Okay, now you can use these handles, you can move the anchor point, you can modify the handles for having a proper balance and smoothness on this one. We can apply all this.
Okay, sir.
Okay, yeah. Okay, next option in this one. Okay, page tool now. So I'm deleting this option. Page tool is for only for checking the properties. You can change the orientation of this property now. Say example, I am having orientation portrait mode. I can change it to landscape mode now. See, easily we can change.
Yeah.
Second option is
Okay.
what sizes. We can maintain the sizes here. What size you want, you can say take the sizes. I am taking a small size now. US business card now. See, 3.5 by
Okay.
2 inches in this one. Now if I want again back to the A4 size paper, select this page and go to the object menu and say page option. So one second, where is the page also? One second, object menu. Okay, so like this you can use this one. Page tool is meant for adjusting the page on this one. Zoom and see, control plus to zoom. Now right now we are changing the orientation and all. Okay, and second one, okay, this is what page tool. Now we can check this one and then we can decide the sizes, what sizes you want in this one, and then we can control the margins from the left side and right side, how much margin you want it. Then width and height of the object can be seen over here also. Okay, is it clear this point? Hello, Ravi? Hello? 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 Hello?